प्यारे बच्चों, टुडे वी स्टडी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एल्काइन या बेसिकली द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एल्काइन. तो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एल्काइन मीन्स द एल्काइन इज सिंपल unsaturated hydrocarbon which contain at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. So we here to example the simplest alkyne which name is ethyne. तो बेसिकली इथाइन इज कार्बन कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड and carbon hydrogen single bond. So due to carbon carbon triple bond, here present two type of bond. One type bond is sigma bond and another type bond is pi bond. Due to formation of carbon carbon single bond is sigma bond is head on head overlapping. Yeah, head on head overlapping. Yeah, end to end overlapping, end to end overlapping, yeah, head to head overlapping. In due to pi bond present in above and below the plane due to overlapping of sidewise overlapping. So due to carbon carbon triple bond, alkyne having sp hybridized. sp hybridized mean this sp hybridization having 50% of s character and 50% of p character. Due to sp hybridization of alkyne show linear structure and bond angle is 180 degree. So here we first question are in mind to the bond strength between alkyne, alkene and alkane. So due to carbon-carbon triple bond या sp hybridization, alkyne having much more stronger bond strength. Alkyne have first, then alkene or then alkane. In due to bond strength, carbon-carbon bond strength is almost 823 calorie per mole. In alkene, carbon-carbon double bond strength is almost 681 kilojoule per mole. And alkane carbon-carbon bond strength is 348 kilojoule per mole. So bond strength is alkyne is more than alkane. Another is second question is mind to bond length of alkane, alkene and alkyne. So in carbon-carbon triple bond length is 120 picometer and alkene bond length is 133 picometer and alkane bond length is 154 picometer. So bond length is alkyne minimum, then alkene, then alkane. In this lecture, we study preparation of alkene. So first we prepare alkene from calcium carbide. So first we study the preparation of calcium carbide. So calcium carbonate heated, so it's form calcium oxide quicklime plus carbon dioxide. And this quicklime react with coke to form calcium carbide plus carbon monoxide. And this calcium carbide are hydrolysis in presence of water due to formation of calcium hydroxide plus acetylene. This acetylene is preparation of alkyne. So first preparation of alkyne is from calcium carbide. First we will take calcium carbonate heat, then you form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. This calcium oxide are react with carbon to form calcium carbide, and this calcium carbide is hydrolysis, so form calcium hydroxide plus acetylene plus acetylene. And another second preparation here we study from vicinal dihalide. Vicinal dihalide will adjacent carbon atom having halogen. This vicinal dihalide IUPAC name is 1,2-dibromoethane. When 1,2-dibromoethane react with alcoholic KOH, its form 1, 2. 1 bromoethene plus KBr, 1 bromoethene plus KBr plus water. And this 1 bromoethene react with soda NaNH2 sodamide. So this convert into acetylene plus NaBr plus NH3. In this reaction basically form dehydrohalogenation, and due to dehydrohalogenation it is a type of elimination reaction. The formation of carboanion, and the formation of carboanion, because this is the base, this base is eliminate one hydrogen. So due to elimination of one hydrogen, so this is a carboanion. So this one base react with to CH2Br plus CH2Br negative. This negative charge displays here and this bromine ion loss. So CH2 double bond CHBr. This is the first. And this another time react with KOH in presence of alcoholic. So this time this is the another hydrogen. To this hydrogen are lost to CH negative double bond CHBr, and this negative charge go here and this leaving group are removed to the CH triple bond CH due to formation of acetylene. This is the formation of acetylene. So basically in this process we formation of carboanion. And third is the physical properties of alkyne. In alkyne, first three members are found gaseous state, and next 8 members are found in liquid state, and higher alkyne are found in solid state. Simple ethine is characteristic odor. Ethine are show characteristic odor. Solubility of alkyne in ether, CCl4 and benzene. And the melting point and boiling point and density. The melting point, boiling point and density of alkyne increase with increase molecular mass. So in this class we basically study physical property and preparation of alkene and structure of alkene. We are covering in this lecture हाइड्रोकार्बन. हाइड्रोकार्बन में हम अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड को कवर कर रहे हैं जिसको बोलते हैं एल्काइन. तो आपको अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.